Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see a question based on section of hexagonal prism. Question is, a hexagonal prism of a base side 30 mm and high axis length 70 mm rests on one of its end faces on HP with two base sides parallel to VP. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 30 degrees to HP. The cutting plane meets the axis at 30 mm from top. Draw the front view, sectional top view and true shape of section. Now since it's a hexagonal prism, draw the reference line and draw a hexagon like this with one base edge parallel like this. So for a hexagon, included angle is 120 degrees. You can complete that hexagon having edge length 30 mm. Name that hexagon as A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the points on the top face, and G, H, I, J, K, L on the base points. So base points will be inside bracket. Now project all these points to the reference line, and since height of the object is 70 mm, mark height of the object from here. Also you can mark the centroid, and the centroid also you want to project like this, and height is 70 mm, mark 70 mm from here, draw that line, project all these points, connect all these points by using straight lines, do the dimension 70 mm. Now name these points. Front view, that is A dash, B dash, F dash, D dash, E dash, C dash, E dash and D dash. Here it is G dash, H dash, L dash, F dash, I dash, K dash and J dash. Now since it is given that the cutting plane is meeting the axis at a distance of 30 mm from top face, mark 30 mm from here like this, and draw a line like this, and draw the section plane like this at an angle 30 degrees. Like this section plane, you can use a continuous line, two dot lines, continuous line, two dot lines, a continuous line, in that way. So the cutting plane meets these lines at different points like 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. 5 and 6 are the points coming on the back side of the object, so those points will be invisible. 1 dash is on the line A dash, G dash, 2 dash is on the line B dash, H dash, in that way. So those 2 points which are inside bracket are invisible points which are coming behind in front view. Now since it's a prism, so you can hatch all those lines like this, because in top view, since it is section is throughout this object like this, left and right edges it is cutting, so entire top view will be sectioned, so you can hatch that entire portion. Now to draw the sectional true shape of section, this is the sectional top view. To draw the true shape of section, draw perpendicular lines like this through all these 6 points like this. Also draw a parallel line parallel to this reference line, keeping some distance from here. Now you want to mark distance from here to here, from here like this. That is, you mark distance from axis to this point. That point you mark from here to here, that is 1 dash. Axis to this point, that distance you mark from here to here, that is 6 dash. Axis to this point, this distance from here to here, that distance you mark from here to here, 2 dash. Axis to this distance, this point, this distance, that distance you mark from here to here, that is 5 dash. Axis to this distance, that distance you mark from here, 3 dash. And axis to this distance, that distance you mark from here, 4 dash. So you can connect that 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. So this is the sectional top, this is the true shape of section, and this is the section top view. Now you want to hatch this portion also. Hatching you want to use soft thin lines at 45 degrees with this line, at 45 degrees with this line. This is how you draw the sectional view of a sectional top view and true shape of section of a hexagonal prism. Hope you understood this video. Thank you very much for listening to this video.